Hello, fifth graders. I have something very exciting to share with you today. So, yesterday we started talking about biomes, and you kind of found out, different environments, which in ecosystems, which can also be called biomes. And we started talking about how different species live in different spaces, based on how they're built and the things they need, and how living and non living things work together to make those spaces successful, right? And how there are lots of different types of those kinds of spaces. Well, now we are going to start reading about those different types of spaces in our little textbook here, okay, in our little school book. So I am going to do this in a couple different ways, okay? This is this video here, this one right here. I'm sorry, hold on. False alarm, sorry, I thought I had to sneeze. This video here is me telling you this, okay? Then in our folder, I am going to put some videos breaking down the reading, okay? I'm not going to read and assign these different stories because the biomes take pages and pages, okay? So, what I want to share with you today and tomorrow is multiple pages. Okay, this is just one little story and it's like 6 pages. So, it's not going to be one video and it's probably going to be 2 days. It would be at least 2 days if we were in class. Okay, it's a lot of reading. So what I'm going to do is in the folder, I'm going to have me reading it to you, and I'm also going to have photos of the text itself so that you can see it if you want to go back and read it, so that you can have the information both ways. Real frustrating, but I think I have to yawn. I also have a cold, so Miss Jacobson's doing stellar. Sorry, guys. So just so you know, that's how you're getting the information, okay? So you will have a video of me reading you the information, and you will have the text information, the text story, so you can read it if you would like also, okay? You actually got the on, sorry. So then, what I would like you to do, okay, here's your assignment, and it will be prompted also in the discussion. So then your assignment for tomorrow, whether or not we finish this first part. So what I'm going to have you do, our first reading, we're going to investigate the Amazon rainforest. Okay, so the story I'm going to share is actually a journal entry. Okay, it's presented, the information about the Amazon rainforest is presented within a journal entry. And that journal entry is shared by a little girl named Lee. And she tells us about an experience she has in the rainforest. So then, after you listen to me read this, or you read it yourself, okay, whether we get through all of it, depending on the timing of it all, or whether it's just part of it, I'm still gonna post a discussion and you're gonna answer the question, what's the difference between the rainforest, okay, the rainforest ecosystem, and New York City, New York State, okay, which whether you've been to New York City or not is still just a big city. So you could compare it to Minneapolis or St. Paul. Okay, how are those two different based on what you're seeing and hearing? Okay? So, just so you know, like that's your question that you have to answer. So be thinking about that as you're looking at and or hearing the story. Okay? So I'm going to stop this here. Next, you're going to go into the actual text. Okay? You're going to go into the next video or photo. But I'm going to put those within folders also so that they're grouped together. Deal? And then there will be the discussion after. Okay? But stay with me because these ecosystems are all really different. So they're all really fun. So this is going to be like days where we get all this information, but it's all really cool. And then we're going to break this all down and um, do some comparing and contrasting of ecosystems so we can really check it all out and see how they all compare together. Okay, over time. And I really look forward to having those discussions with you. Otherwise, I will see you later.